his mufflers and resonators off there.
That should be popping and shit. It's so bad.
Why are you trying to beat me, bro? Why you trying to beat me, bro? Why you trying to beat me, bro?
So you gotta
back.
Joe, why is your cameraman trying to beat me, bro?
Man, what a cash at, huh?
Why is your cameraman trying to beat me, bro?
Motherfucker drove all the way up to fucking Chico. Oh, they do that shit like nothing. I'm like, that's crazy.
People call me pussy, but once they dicking me, bro.
I say, what the fuck is this shit?
Why are you fucking Hey.
Yeah, I like that. I like that.
All these fine whips. We're at Super Drive, Sacramento. It's a Halloween meet.
We out here.
Where are we, bro?
We're in Sacramento.
What part of Sac?
We're in the Arden.
Damn, isn't this where the people get shot? He in the inmate seat. What you doing, brother?
You know, day off what's it called? Free time.
Free time. Hey, not gonna lie, this Porsche's tough. Look at this. It's faster than your shit. Jay.
We got an S1000. We got a Triumph.
What type of Triumph is it?
This is a Triumph 900. This is a Speed 10. Slow as fuck compared to this. Talking about this is a 200 mile an hour.
This thing has a fat screen on it. God.
The
what?
He has a plate, so.
Wide body kit on the RX-7 is tough. Or look at this oil right here. Chicken Joe. Damn. Hold on. So I'm looking at this. This. That ain't fucking banana. Jay.
Tweaking again?
No,
He's just right there.
that is crazy. God damn. I feel very fucking angry. Jesus Christ. We just got fucking blue balled. I thought we were finna get like a burnout or something. Nigga just walked off. Look at this Z, bro. Look at this damn Z. Move, Joe, bro. I'm trying to look at the Z. Hey, look who we got here, gang. Look, you shooting a video?
Yeah, you know me. I'm trying to shoot every day. I got here earlier. I ain't gonna lie. I woke up late.
What time did it start?
It started at 8 o'clock.
Damn, I got here late then.
I just pulled up, bro. Did my little run around here and then park, nigga. I was up till like 4 in the morning playing Call of Duty. That's why you don't play games, bro. Don't play games, dude. You gonna wake up late and shit, bro.
I don't know what's going on with this BMW. So many of them, bro. So many. Where's Jay car at? Nah, fuck. Wait, which one is Jay's? Oh, yeah. That's Jay's. That's Orion's, my car. I don't know why I keep driving out to Sac. Jesus Christ, dude.
The vlog?
Yep. Another one. What else we got? Where Blake at? Fucking fat ass. Look at him. Blake, what is we on, gang? Are we going to Fright Fest tonight? Or...
Shit.
Huh? My God. Broken ass Hyundai. Besides that beautiful piece of art, look at these. Oh, how I love fucking videos.